Dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can hide sheet in Excel. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So you can see I created different sheet. So if I want to hide any sheet, so just select the sheet which you want to hide. So after selecting the sheet, so just click the right side of mouse, and here you can see the options of hide. So when you will click on this, your sheet will be hide. So I am selecting hide, so you can see this sheet is hide. So guys, in this way you can hide any sheet in the Excel. So if you want to unhide this sheet, so watch my next video. So in next video I will show you how you can easily unhide any sheet. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.